Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I go through Anonymous Playground, which is a hack machine on Tryhackme. Isn't different from other machine. This one is much more CTF one, and I have finished it like 2 weeks ago, and today I go over it. So let's start. I renamed the machine to Tame the Tryhackme as usual, and this is the main page of Anonymous Playground. So we have operative, some type like username, and we have look at it later. So first we will do some enumeration with nmap and also killbuster with comma list. So as you can see here with nmap we have port 22 open, which is the NH, and port 80, which is your server hosting this. Because I have go through the machine, so I can review you the file we have to look at the robot.txt, and we have secret folder here. Just browse this folder. So in this folder you can see like something like you have not been granted access denied. So the first thing come to my mind is look at the cookies. As usual, if you are not granted access, you have to do it yourself. Modify the deny here with granted. Refresh. So you can see this, and this look like the login and the password in some type. And if you look further down here with hint, you're going to want to write Python script for this. ZA equal to A. So Z is 26 character in the alphabet, and the upper A case can be considered like 27. So 27 plus 26 equal to 53, which is one module 52, which is the 8 character. So let's write Python script. So as you can see here with Killbuster, it shows us robot.text as well. And just terminate that and write a Python script. First thing I want to declare the string, this one, and also alphabet. So I want to declare an order function, as I'm not really comfortable with the or built-in function of Python. So just want to use this one. And if we don't find anything, just return -1. And now I want to declare another function which is sum up with a and b integer. So this will be much like this int 26 plus 27 equal to 1. So else equal to a plus b modular 52, which is the sign of the alphabet. I also want to pass in +1 and +1 because the index started at 0 instead of 1, and return alphabet as -1 because the index started 0 as well. So let's go into our main function. I want to jump step to be 2 because we divide the string to cluster of 2 character. So first I want to check this, which is the invalid character. Put sum up with the order, have a string I, and also the order a string I+1. And now we just have to print out the output. Let's try. Shit. What? Name output if not defined. So as you can see here, the username is Magna and the password Magna is an elephant. And if you have a look at the operative, you see Magna user here. So we know that it is a valid password and username. So I want to add it to the server, and just in case the username and the password are lowercase. So Magna is an elephant. So we are in the machine now with the Magna user. Let this one in the folder. So as you can see, we have hacked our rest stuff here, which have set UID bit set, and let's check what is that. So it is executable file, and now I want to get the file and have a look at it in my local machine. I also want to modify the permission to execute that and have a look at it with Hydra. Where's download? Reverse terminal here. Hydra run. Type the word here and reverse that. Analyze. Now we have a look at the function and look for the main function. So in the main function, you can easily see that we have a local variable which is 64 bytes, and we also print down to the console what do you want to hide. Just grab a variable and pass it. So it does nothing. Let's have a look at that. Nothing happens. So if you look further in the list of functions, you can see a cone bash function, and the name is pretty straightforward. Look at the function, it's print out some stuff. Then set UID, which is um, pretty interesting, and also respond a shelf. So the basic idea here is we want to buffer overflow this variable and override the return address to jump back into the cone bash function, which starts at this address. So let's have a look with GDB. But first, I want to generate a payload. With the payload, first, I put an estimation of like 80 character by and put it in temp and feed in with GDB like the word info function. Listen the function with comparison main is as main. So I want to set a breakpoint at the return address to check out what is the payload we need to put. For 0070F, and let's run with the payload. I want to show the stack pointer. So as you can see here, we have like 8 character of a with 80 character a payload. So the actual payload we need is 72. So just quit the program and modify it. This one 49 72 plus I want to look at the return address. So the return address we want is the cone bash start address, which is 57 x 57 x 06 x 40 x 00. Also want to put more 0 just in case. So that's all. Let's run again with GDB. Right. What? I have a look at the main again. So point at 0 0070F and run with the payload. Let's have a look at the stack pointer. So as you can see here is the correct one we want to jump into 000000400657. So let's continue and see what happened. So to see what we have here is print out everything and fork out a tribal cell with system, and I guess that'll just quit this. Yes, and run. Let's see. Yep, so we are in. So I want to copy the payload here. Go back into the magnet here and just generate the payload and execute the file. So who am I? Segmentation fault. Let's get back to this. Maybe we want to like jump into later. Just try it again with one instruction after. Where am I? So yep, we are now spooky. So I want to have some interactive shelf. Run Python with command import pty spawn in bash and fully interactive shell set edge. What the problem with this z edge? You can simply do the normal stuff as the patch one. You you need to do some customization. I want to Ctrl Z. Get this. So this one and stty this. Um, so let's go to spooky. So this flag is the second one you have to answer. So I will upload to the Linux enumeration tool to have a better look at the system. So just cd to this one, cd to privilege escalation. So I'll upload the link piece here with Python C no M wget http 10.4.7.233, which is my tunnel 0 IP address, and link piece chmod 77. Run link piece. What the fuck is happening? Just remove that. So look like that's corrupt. I just download this one. Put it in here. Privilege escalation. Oh shit. Yep, I guess this is the correct file. Let's wait. This NSC this. Let's go back to this. So we have user ID spooky, group magnet, nothing special. Let's go down here. Nothing special. Let's have a look what process we have. Nothing special as well. So we have a really interesting cron job here, which is cd into spooky directory and execute this to unzip the file. So the actual exploit here is if you can do some Google search with cron job privilege escalation. You can easily see the wildcat injection exploit. So cron tap tile wildcat injection. So you put in something like echo. Oh shit. Here's some script here. I copy and put in. So first we will put in command to ls file and then inject the wildcat inject this argument and this argument, so the tile will um, execute all this execution all this argument with the tile. So you will run the test ls. So let's have it a look. Um, let's go back here. Don't want ignite user. I want spooky. Yep. So now I want to echo this. And this one as well. And finally compress everything. So let's wait. As you can see here, you can easily realize that this one execute this. This one execute this test.sh. So we have permission denied here. So I guess we have to wait like 1 minute to let the cron job do its work and allow us to sudo to the root. So let's try now. So we are now the root. Let's finish. So that's all for this machine. Thank you for watching.